We come to the elevators at Homewerks Worldwide, and it is a US soft touch. Oh wow. Oh, look at that, listen to that chime. There's the lantern. Alright, step inside, and let's get a cab view first, why don't we? Pretty basic. Here's your COP, there's your indicator, certificate of inspection, key switches, your buttons, your phone. Let's head to 2. It's a lovely floor passing chime. There's your lantern. It's got a safety edge, and there's a ping pong table. Huh. Aw man, no chime. Daggone it. Your safety edge. There's your buttons. Man, that is a dim floor indicator. That's not just a phone, that's actually, it's very dim. And here's the machine room, which is locked. Right, there it goes. And that's it.